Alright, so what we're looking at today is a Bilt ProLine 5.5 horsepower rear tine tiller. This one was pretty much junk, except I found that the engine still had some compression, but there was a lot of pieces that were pretty much toast. And for example, here the fuel tank is pretty rusty and crusty. I don't know what's going on with the hole in the lid. Pretty much far gone. Here we got the muffler. The muffler has a hole in it underneath, as well as just being in really bad shape on top. So what I ended up doing, I did get another fuel tank for it. I don't know if that thing was put in by me or whatever, because it's been around here a while waiting for this project to happen. The muffler, believe it or not, came off of a Predator 212 engine that I'm going to do something else with. But in order to make it fit, I did have to drill out the two holes down here because the studs on the Honda engine were just a little bit too close, and it wouldn't allow me to put those in. So I just drilled out the holes little by little, bigger and bigger and bigger, until it finally got on, and it's really snug now. So I also popped the carburetor off and put a brand new aftermarket Honda carburetor on it. Put some fresh gas in it, put some fresh oil in it. And as you saw, it runs good. I don't have anything to till around here, so I'm not keeping it. And if I look at the label for model number, that's all rubbed off, so I can't even see what model number this is. But other than that, I think this thing is ready to rock and roll. It does have a lever up here for engaging the wheels when you're tilling, and that works well. And there's also a reverse. And when you pull this out and then engage the tines, it will start spinning the opposite direction. So there we go. Bilt ProLine rear tine tiller. Thanks for watching.